A Skittle Shower? Ah! Now I have Skittle Pox! Rosie has a date. But the guy turned out to be kinda stingy. Did you order a glass of water? That's cute. Thank goodness I came prepared and stocked up with candy pins. Hot glue brooch pins to different small candies and chocolates. Put Skittles into a candy-shaped container and glue on a pin. I wear all my candy on my body. It's going to be a long evening. I guess I'll start with a Milky Way. It's a good thing that I brought a candy stash. Don't reach for my treasures. Drink your water, pal. Ben is craving sugar. He's looking for something sweet to eat. I wish I could find at least one candy or cookie. There's nothing here. This is so sad. Oh yeah, bingo! Here it is, my precious, a can of Fanta. But there's no soda inside, just something mysterious and sticky. Pour gel laundry detergent into slime glue. Make slime. Dip an empty Fanta can into acrylic paint and add paint to the slime. Mix it and put the slime into the empty Fanta can. Is this actually slime? I think this soda is past its expiration date, but the slime distracts Ben from his search for a minute. But what do I see here? There it is, my chocolate treasure, a pack of M&Ms in my sister's bag. Ooh, it's gonna be yummy! Oh no, it's fake too! We will need an empty M&Ms package. Trace a phone case on it and cut it out. Attach the bag to the phone case using multipurpose glue. Cut out a hole for the camera. Attach an M&M logo onto cardboard and make a 3D logo. This is a regular M&M phone case. No candies anywhere here, but I can take a hungry selfie. I'll eat my Skittles while no one sees me. Whoops! A rainbow accident happened when I opened it, but my shoes magically transformed. Cut the top off a bag of Skittles. Empty it. Cut the label in the rainbow out of the bag and attach it to the tip of a sneaker using multi-purpose glue. Add cutout candy and labels. Cut the top strip of the bag in half and attach it to the back of the sneaker as a loop. When you see these rainbow Skittles sneakers, you can tell what my favorite candy is. If you love the sweet life, these shoes are for you. Want some Oreos? No thanks. I swapped all my sweets for pretty accessories. Take an empty Coca Cola can. Carefully cut it in half with a modeling knife. Cut 4 little squares out of foam paper. Hot glue 2 squares on one side and attach it to the edges of the can. Shape a clutch bag. Add a handbag lock on top and a chain on the sides. My stylish Coca-Cola clutch holds all the essentials. And I have Oreo Lip Balm instead of real cookies. Place an Oreo cookie on parchment paper and cover it with hot glue. Take the cookie out when the glue hardens. Mix black and brown polymer clay. Place the clay into the mold and make imprints. Take the clay out and bake it according to the package instructions. Coat a round container with white acrylic paint and attach the clay cookie to it. Melt lip balm in a microwave and pour it into the Oreo container. Let it harden. Oh, what happened? happened to my lip balm? I see. Ben accidentally confused it with a real cookie. Be careful, don't break your teeth. You have nice taste in makeup. Redhead is so sad. She ran out of candy. There is no more joy in her life, and nothing can bring it back. Where is my glucose? This is a job for our candy agent. He can give our victim sweet first aid. Coat an empty toy case with yellow acrylic paint. Add a layer of acrylic polish. Cut letters out of candy wrappers. Make the phrase "Sweet Emergency." Attach the letters to the case. Decorate it with M&M characters. Put candies into clean flasks. And put the treats into the case. Our secret candy operation was a success. The yellow case is going straight to the client. Miss, this is hand-picked artisanal sugar from local farms. It will bring you back to life. You're welcome. Finally! Redhead has a zest for life again. But now she's a little sick from a chocolate overdose. Rosie is in a stressful situation again. Her headphones got tangled in her pocket, and now they are holding Rosie hostage. Her headphones turned into handcuffs. Help! Thank goodness Ben is here. He'll save Rosie from this trap. And he'll give her a useful case for headphones. Take candies out of a round candy container. Clean it with rubbing alcohol. Poke a hole in one side and put in a keychain fastener. Put headphones into the container. These candies are for your headphones. Now they'll never get tangled. Relax and enjoy your music. Coca-Cola is a great help in the kitchen. It'll quench your thirst and make some delicious crackers. Let's test it. Mix softened butter with sour cream and flour. Add paprika and spices. Make dough. Sprinkle a mat with flour and roll out the dough with a Coca-Cola can. Use a metal Coca-Cola bottle cap to cut crackers out of the dough. Bake them in an oven. Rosie, get ready to enjoy the magical taste of Coca-Cola crackers. I made them myself. Do you like it? Chase it with some Coke. Crackers and cola are a perfect match. I did such a good job. Are you about to get into a fight? Chocolate brownies with a candy filling are the best way to keep the peace. Mix 11 ounces of dark chocolate, 6 ounces of butter, and 9 ounces of sugar in a saucepan. Melt the ingredients on low heat. Add half an ounce of vanilla flavoring, half an ounce of cocoa powder, and 4.5 ounces of flour. Add in 4 eggs and carefully stir the dough. Cut Mars and Snicker bars into pieces. And pour the chocolate mixture with the chopped bars into a silicone mold. Place Twix and Oreo on top. Sprinkle with M&Ms. Bake it at 320 degrees until it's ready. Enjoy, girls! This dessert is kinda mysterious. It's made with all our favorite things, even M&Ms. Delicious! wow! This is the most amazing brownie ever! Don't even think about taking a piece for yourself. We are not letting this candy brownie go anywhere. You don't have a place to store your comb, hair clips, and your favorite gum? And your pockets are full? Here's an idea! We'll make one device to hold it all. Cut the handle off a comb using a heated utility knife. Fill 1/2 of an empty Hubba Bubba container with light clay and stick in the comb. Put hair clips into the other half of the container. This is a small and practical Hubba Bubba case for a comb and pins. Now they are always easy to access. Do you have an empty Coca-Cola bottle? And a creative art idea? Let's turn this boring shopping bag into a masterpiece! Make a sketch on a white shopping bag using a pencil. Put something inside so that the paint doesn't stain the other side. Apply fabric paint onto an empty Coca-Cola bottle. And make imprints on the bag. Crumple foil to make a ball. Apply paint onto it and add imprints. Define outlines, details, and shades with a brush. Iron the bag through parchment paper when the paint dries. More paint and more creativity! There we go! The print is done! Now I have the most beautiful shopping bag in the world! Did you like our sweet ideas? Then comment below which crafts you'd try. Would you make Skittles sneakers, an Oreo lip balm, or an M&M phone case? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new sweet life hacks from Troom.